The summer of 2006, when we employed Julliette Richard as an intern here at E.H. Anderson Public Relations, that we began to even think about expanding into France. What services we offered that could possibly be in demand in France or in Paris. Julliette approached me and asked if she could write her thesis and her research study on the feasibility of this business expanding into France. And I said, absolutely, I would love to have all that information and see what her research would conclude. In that light, let me introduce you to the agency. Public Relations. On the media relations side, my husband and I both have news backgrounds, and we secure editorial coverage for our clients. We are able to talk to reporters, pique their interest in wanting to cover our clients. We know how newsrooms operate. They're run on deadlines. Journalists and reporters can be demanding. They could be short-tempered, and on our side as PR practitioners, we have to be patient and persistent and really know how to communicate with journalists. And I think having the news background makes us extremely successful. Success for our client would be coverage in the target publications that we're pursuing. We have represented Curves International with 13,000 plus franchisees across 57 countries. Adventure Kids Play Care, they are a drop-in child care facility. We represent Assisting Hands. It's an in-home, non-medical caregiving service. We represent Athletic Nation. It is a no-frills gym for men and women. Other clients outside of the franchise industry include technology companies. We have quite a bit of experience in technology, from software developers, voice over IP, telecom. We've done business-to-business public relations and business-to-consumer public relations. Relative to any business opportunities for us in France, I had been told by a colleague of mine who had been living in France for the past 5 years that she saw a demand for French corporations who were launching their websites in English, needing an American or a English copywriter to edit and translate their website. I think another target for us in France would be a company who was looking to expand into the U.S. Certainly we have great relationships with media outlets here in the U.S., and for a French company who was going to bring their product or service here, I think we could do a lot of good for them in getting media coverage in the U.S.-based publications. I wish I could be with you today, and I so much appreciate Julliette and Camille taking on this project, and I'm eager to read the findings and learn what the market conditions are for E.H. Anderson Public Relations expanding into France. Who knows, hopefully one day I can meet you in person as we open the doors at E.H. Anderson PR in France. Thanks a lot.